regular mechanic. And this is a 2016 Land Rover Discovery. It's a 2.0. This SUV came with a crunch pulley. See, all messed up. Quebrada esta cosa. Okay. So when you guys get a replacement for this car, you guys have to get this tool. There's a part number right here. That's a part number. Okay. When you put, when you guys are getting ready to replace it, make sure put the car in top dead center. All right. After you put the car in top dead center, and then you align this tool with this crunch pulley. Well, actually, you put this crunch pulley right, and right here, it just goes right here. Okay, see right there? Put it right here, and then you align the crunch pulley. Oh, so you see these little guys right there? There's one bigger, this is smaller, which is right there. And when you put a top dead center, you put the crunch pulley, la ponen así. Entonces, then you guide those little holes to this one, and then you tie the nut, which is 21 millimeter. All right. Then you tie the nut. Okay. I haven't checked the pounds that you have to tie that one. Otherwise, if you guys gonna put the crunch pulley like that, the car will never start. Then there's gonna be a problem. So you use this tool. I'll give you the part number, and then you align this one, and car will start right away. Having a headache how to do that. I mean, I was looking at Google and everything. I don't see any information, so I just give you guys some little bit information. It might help some guys. I don't know, but I just give you an example of what was the problem with this crunch pulley. We replace the crank sensor, the cam sensor. Nothing worse till I use this tool. All right. So I hope this helps a little bit, and thank you very much for watching my video, man. Thank you.